Here we go. We're walking into this beautiful home, large living room space with real hardwood floors, a tiled kitchen floor, a real breakfast area, granite countertops, with this property as well, the appliances, the refrigerator and the stove stay. We have a pantry here. The door actually goes to the large backyard. We'll go there next. But what we'll do first is go through and see the rest of the home. Like I said, this house has been completely renovated. There is no carpet in this home. Okay? So we're going to go to one bedroom here. Nice size bedroom, closet. These are king size beds. So just so you know, it's a huge room. We have a stackable washer and dryer, which can remain with the property. Going into the bathroom now. And again, this is a towel. Make sure you can see it. A towel shower and bath combo. Huge space though, right? So the beautiful thing again, completely renovated. Everything already done for you. All you need to do is move in. This property is owner occupied, so you do need to schedule an appointment with me so we can see the inside. But again, we're offering 3% closing cost with this property. If you mention this TikTok, then I'll throw in a free home warranty. So this property is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. And I'm going to go to the outside real quick so that way we can see the backyard, and we need to see so you can see the roof as well. Here we go. So we go to the backyard. Huge garage space or storage space for you. Nice size fence backyard. And so you also have another storage area right here, and with a hot water heater. But this is a full brick, 4-sided brick, completely renovated home with a fenced backyard and a garage or storage area in the back. And this is a huge area. I'm not sure if you can see how big it is. But it's literally, if you can look at it, it's a roll-up door there for a garage. So this is large enough for you to use it as a oversized garage or storage, however you would like to. But it's a nice sized backyard. Again, this property is $178,000, but 3% closing costs included with that, and completely renovated, close to the expressways, close to shopping, close to everything. And oh, I forgot to get the roof. I don't know if you can see that from here. I'll try to get from the front so you can see the roof. And I started directly in the front, but I mean in the inside the house, but I want you to see the outside of this home so you can see how the home looks from the outside. And I really wanted to make sure you saw the roof. This is a great home for someone to start off with, right? Because it's nice, low maintenance with the full brick, low maintenance, new roof. Everything inside has been renovated, so it's a lot easier for someone to come in here. You don't have to worry about the maintenance. But again, if you mention TikTok. If you're represented by an agent, just let your agent know to put in the offer and that it was in TikTok. I'm giving a free home warranty. And again, with this, the seller is willing to pay 3% closing cost. Okay? And now, on to the next one.